Hi guys, so probably you're just a new creator just like me and you want to share your experiences here using OBS. You want to stream about your first video hitting 1 million views or something like that. And all you want to do is just remove this whole background here. So just as you are used on Zoom or Teams, just to replace the background with something different, not with your actual room. And there is no setting for that on OBS. So what do? You go on YouTube, you search for all of this stuff, you go down the rabbit hole, there are lots of videos, you just search for OBS remove background, and there are lots of videos about green screens, about plugins, whatsoever. For someone who just installed OBS, it's a bit overwhelming. So I found this one nice feature on Mac that allows you to do the same in just a couple of clicks. And it's a built-in function, you don't need any plugins whatsoever. So if you're sharing your screen on OBS, like I'm doing now, you will see this purple thing on the top here. And this is called presenter overlay. I think it's a function of macOS since macOS 15. So it's a built-in thing, and what you want to do is, or what you can do with that is actually do this kind of bubble here instead of your sharing your webcam. So hello there. You can have a larger one like this, and you can actually also adjust things like that. So you can play around with that, but this is actually not what we are looking for. So what you want to do is to switch off this presenter overlay again, so that you have your camera actually on OBS, and then you go into the settings of the presenter overlay, which I have here, for example. And you can have things like that. You can have a portrait mode, just blurring a background. You can have a studio light. Looks a bit different, better, I think, more professional. You can have reactions switched on, so you can have things like that. Does it work? Yeah. Or things like that. Yeah, some bubbles. And ultimately, what you can have is switch on the background. Boom. So built-in feature from Mac, and you can search here for some colors like this, nice green one, or just white and black. So, or you can have some predefined backgrounds from Apple. I think it's from the Apple campus. Or you can just upload your own pictures, just like you can do on Zoom or Teams or whatever. You just choose it, upload it. I have a very nice sunset background here, professional one. So yeah, that's how you have your background, and now you can stream all of your stuff that you want to stream on OBS with this nice background without dealing with any plugins, green screens, or whatsoever. And again, it's in this presenter overlay here, camera settings, background. So that's all for today. If you liked it, if it's valuable for you, just hit the like button, and yeah, see you soon. Bye bye.